Kwa dhimbele nyakura mgajwang jatenda migao mar somo pacho ka Ezekiel Mashogwe yango ni chenro mar kao jopuonjre manotimo penj mar klas 8 KCPE maigani madhironje klas 9 higa manyien gi sani dhi nyime kendo oruma yanga jumani. Mashogwe koni jopuonjre duto manotimo penj mar klas 8 biro yudo thuolo mar donjo klas 9 e kind tarik 17 gi tarik 18 dwe mar achiel 2024. Koloso karachuone kaunti ma Homa Bay kinde manotele chenro mar chiwo chiemb kony ne familia mane pio ulo dare miechgi oyango ni omenda mag agulu mag NGCDF bende koro sirikal biro oro ne jo od bura e dwe mar achiel mondo jopuonjre yud omenda mag basari.
And we want to assure each and every parent that your children will be able to find a place in a secondary school because we are having 100% transition. There are those who would be able to find places in national schools. There are those who would be able to find places in county schools. And also there are those who will be able to find places in the county secondary schools. So January around 17th, 18th, prepare for those who have pupils in going to Form 1 so that you can be able to take your children to Form 1 when the time comes. And I want to assure the chairman of CDF that the government of William Samoei Ruto is making the necessary arrangements to make sure that CDF will be available before that particular time that our children are going to Form 1 and other classes in secondary school, so that the members of parliament can then be able to give out bursaries to the various students.